To roasted onions. Half cup of roasted peanuts. Half cup of roasted dry coconut pieces. And 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds kush kush. Take a jar and transfer roasted masalas. Add little salt. Add some water, and grind it. Masala paste is ready. Take a cooker and add half kg keema. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Add salt as per taste. Add 2 to 3 green chilies, some fresh mint, and coriander leaves. Add half cup of soaked chana dal. Add 1 cup of water. Mix well and pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles. After 3 to 4 whistles, open lid. Give a mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. In a small jar, add some roasted dry coconut pieces and some poppy seeds, grind it. Add half cup of keema and grind. Keema paste is ready. Transfer it in a bowl and keep aside. After cooling down, transfer half-cooked keema mixture in a jar. Add half of the keema mixture with cooked keema mixture and grind. Keema paste is done. Transfer it in a plate. If required, add little salt. Apply oil to palms and make small balls. Heat oil in a kadi and fry koftas. Fry on medium to high flame. Fry until golden brown. Koftas are fried well. Remove and keep aside. Heat an utensil and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 to 3 cloves, 1 teaspoon of shazira. Add 1 inch of cinnamon, and 2 to 3 green lychee. Add 1 sliced onion and fry. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Roast for 2 to 3 seconds. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and salt to taste. Give a mix. Add masala paste. Roast it nicely on low to medium flame. Add 3 to 4 teaspoons of curd. Mix and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Add 1 cup of water. Mix it in close lid. After 5 minutes, add fried koftes. Mix and cook for more 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 to 3 green chilies, some chopped, mint and coriander leaves. Tasty kofte curry is done. Tasty kofte curry is ready. Turn off flame. Tasty and delicious kofte curry is ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.